Hello children, so today we will discuss about the Indian national movement. Okay, so before going to start our topic, first we will discuss few keywords. Number one is boycott. Boycott means to refuse to buy foreign goods, or refusal to buy foreign goods is called boycott. Sati Pratha. It is a custom where a widow burnt along with her husband on the pyre. Means जब किसी का हस्बैंड मर जाता है तो उस लेडी को उसी के हस्बैंड के साथ बर्न कर दिया जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज कास्ट सिस्टम. It is a system which divides people into groups with different social status or according to their caste. Means upper caste or lower caste. Nationalist means feeling of love and devotion for one's country. Means if you have love and devotion for your country, then you will be called national. This is called nationalism. Okay, so children, after the separation of the revolt 1857, the rule of the East India Company came to an end. Means जब 1857 का रिवोल्ट ख़त्म हुआ तो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी जो थी ना ख़त्म हो गई. And the British government took over the administration of India. And British government ने पूरी इंडिया पर अपना एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कर लिया. And what he did? He sent a viceroy to India as a representative. Means उन्होंने जब वो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी चली गई तो उन्होंने क्या किया, अपना एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एज अब वाइसराय इंडिया में भेज दिया टू टेक ओवर द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द रीजन्स. सारे जो रीजन्स थे जहाँ पे उनका कंट्रोल था वहाँ को टेक ओवर करने के लिए. सो चिल्ड्रेन, ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड देयर वर अ नंबर ऑफ सोशल रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस सच एज सती प्रथा, फीमेल इन्फेंटिसाइड, child marriage and caste system occurred, and which causes much suffering among the people. So children, as I taught you, now we have discussed what is sati pratha. It is a custom where a widow was burnt along with her husband on the pyre. Female infanticide means गर्ल चाइल्ड को मार देना. चाइल्ड मैरिज मीन्स छोटे बचपन में ही बच्चों की शादी कर देना. एंड कास्ट सिस्टम, एज आई डिस्कस, अ सिस्टम विच डिवाइड्स पीपल इनटू डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स एज लोअर और अपर ग्रुप अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर डिफरेंट सोशल स्टेटस. ओके, so children, some social reformer came forward. They were Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dayanand Saraswati, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan brought about a new awareness among the people, Indian people. They thought कि what was the reason, were the reasons why people were thinking or why people were following, practicing these social evils like sati pratha, female infanticide, child marriage and caste system, etc. So they brought awareness among the Indian people. What they did? They helped in educating the people. The first basic fault was that Indian people were not educated. So what they did, they started educating Indian people and helped them to remove the social evils. Means they brought awareness among the people कि whatever you are doing, this is not right, these are evils. तो they encouraged remarriage, जो चाइल्ड मैरिज मीन्स जो विडोज आते थे उनकी उन्होंने रीमैरिज स्टार्ट करवाई, एंड एजुकेशन ऑफ गर्ल्स, एंड स्टार्टेड गिविंग education of girls, because earlier what people were thinking that girls were not meant for education, they were only doing household work. So they strongly protest against सती प्रथा, उन्होंने सती प्रथा के अगेंस्ट प्रोटेस्ट किया. फीमेल इन्फेंटिसाइड, जो गर्ल चाइल्ड को हम लोग मार देते थे उसके अगेंस्ट उन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट किया. एंड चाइल्ड मैरिज, और चाइल्ड मैरिज को भी उन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट किया. एंड कास्ट सिस्टम ऑल्सो. सो चिल्ड्रेन, नाउ वी विल सी what were the social evils during that period. Number 1, sati pratha, female infanticide, child marriage and caste system. And who were the social reformers? Dayanand Saraswati, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. How did they change the society? First, they understood what were the reason, why people were practicing all these social evils. Then they thought the basic reason was the people were not educated. So they started giving education to Indian people and brought awareness among the Indian people and helped them to remove the social evils. They encouraged remarriage and encouraged also education of girls, and they strongly protested against sati pratha, female infanticide, child marriage and caste system. Okay? So children, these were the social reformers during that period who removed social and religious evils which were practiced during that period. Okay.